Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 6th, subject English, page number 5, activity number 6. In this activity you have to choose one of the following phrase as the end. Enact the phrase, then use the frame different sentences. Enact the sentences, write down any 5 of them. One example for you. Here is one incomplete phrase, one and different sentences. Here are given for you for practice. Cuckoo gives an incomplete phrase, swimming in a tank, and her friends are going to complete his one and but many sentences. Cuckoo saying, I am swimming in a tank. She used one beginning, I am. Bittu saying, we are swimming in a tank. Instead of I am, Bittu using we are. Now going to Paddy. I am also swimming in a tank. He is adding one more word after I am. Now he make I am also. Swimming in a tank is a common one-ended. Now what Mittu saying? He was swimming in a tank. Swimming in a tank is a common phrase, but he was extra words, and they are trying to make meaningful sentence. What Mia said, I hate swimming. So dear students, you have to use noun or pronoun before one ended, and you have to make minimum 5 sentences. यहाँ आपको नाउन और प्रोनाउन यूज़ करने हैं, और हर एक के लिए, जैसे रीडिंग के लिए आपको 5 सेंटेंस बनाने हैं, स्माइलिंग के लिए 5 सेंटेंसेस, और ड्राइंग के लिए 5 सेंटेंसेस और फ्रेजेस. जैसे यहाँ पर स्विमिंग इन अ टैंक आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया गया था, उसके लिए कुकू एंड हर फ्रेंड्स दे मेड 5 सेंटेंसेस, 1 2 3 4 5. तो यहाँ आपको भी हर एंड को लेते हुए you have to make 5 meaningful phrases or sentences for each of given incomplete phrases or incomplete word. You have to make minimum 5 phrases or sentences for each of given and send me. Thank you.